Hey everybody, doing a quick video here trying to help some people out, maybe had the same issue. Had a water leak in my camper and I really only found it because I could hear it. And what happened is behind this shower wall, this piece right here, this plastic, popped off. This came completely out, just out and leaking everywhere. So what I'm going to do is replace this PEX line with one of these. I'm going to go ahead and do both since I'm back here, so I don't run into that issue on this one right here, this plastic one. But just had to bust the seal on that silicone, 4 screws, take it off, it screws on those threads, and we're going to replace this right here. I'll leave the product links in the description below to this piece and the crimping tool that I need for here. Let me know if you got any questions. Hopefully this can help somebody from having a leak in their camper, or at least a way to fix it. Alright, so as you saw, I got both those changed. I'm putting those on right now, attaching them. I'll put that back on. I use this crimp tool, as you could see. I'll put a link in the description below, and it came with these metal crimps that fit 1/2-inch PEX. And here's the old one. You can just see that it's just all plastic. Just cheap camper stuff, and you can see the play in this one. This one didn't even come loose. It was the hot water that came loose, but there's play in this. There's hardly any play in that brass fitting like there is in this one. So I'm gonna put this on and close it up and we'll be done. But it's that simple. It took me 5 minutes to get those. You just got to have the right tools with the crimper and the metal fastener. Where'd I put that metal fastener? And I'll put a link for this too, the pipe cutter. It cuts CPVC, PVC, and PEX. So it makes quick work of this. Alright, so we're fully connected. Screwed on there, tight, snug. It fits back like that in the hole. I gotta put the 4 screws on it right here and do some silicone. Use this right here. I've used it on the exterior before of the camper. I'll leave this in the description as well. But first I'm going to test the water to make sure we don't have any leaks. Pretty tight connection there, but I'm going to test it, make sure we don't have any leaks, and then I'll connect it all up. Alright, got it all sealed back up, silicone on it. We got working water, cold, hot, good to go. Put a new hose on here, put a link in the description on that as well. But hopefully that helped you out. Let me know if you got any questions. That's how I fixed my camper water leak in my shower. Thanks for watching.